everyone. My name is Gonçalo Freitas and today I'm going to show you how to create a special job on Infraspeak. So let's go. To start, you need to click on Plan Jobs, and then once you're there, you need to click on Create Plan Job. A new window will appear, and here you have to select Special Job. Once you are in this screen, you have to input the information you want. So let's say the name of this plan, it will be electrical installation. Let's say the start date will be on, it will start on Saturday. It will be a construction work. The description is optional. You can add anything you want here. The client, I'm going to choose the smart hotels, and then we need to select the location. So I'm going to say, for instance, garden. Then you can choose which user starts this job. I'm going to choose the user with the technical specialty electrician. Also, you can add a supplier, which I'm not going to do now, but it's just pretty simple. You can just click on it and it's there. And in the interventions, I'm going to add 2 tasks. You can add as many tasks as you want. So I'm going to say install wires. Let's say, for instance, 25 and their unit of measurement, let's say centimeters. And then at the same time, I'm going to create a task for install light switches. Let's say 10 light switches, and it's going to be units. Now, for you to finish creating this this special job, you need to come here to the right bottom corner and click Create Plan Job, and then the system will successfully create this new plan job. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.